Aloha everyone. I wanted to make a short video demonstrating the Wim Hof breathing technique. I don't know if you've ever had the experience of jumping into cold water or turn on a shower and get cold shower right away. You start hyperventilating, and it's your body's own mechanism for warming you quickly when exposed to cold to try and prevent you from being hypothermic. There are videos online of the Wim Hof breathing technique, and I'll leave it to you to research and discover those. One of our Kanaka club members sent out an email with a link to the Wim Hof breathing technique and told us all that it really helped him, not only in resisting hypothermia, but also as a meditative technique. In my version of the Wim Hof breathing technique, I'm taking 30 breaths, and on the last breath I'm exhaling as much as I can and holding it for as long as I can until I have that feeling, that reflexive action of trying to take another breath. And then I take a breath and I hold it for 15 seconds. Then I exhale and then I breathe normally. I'll demonstrate that now. So you want to be in a relaxed pose and you want to be someplace safe. So if you get dizzy from hyperventilating and you pass out or you feel faint and you fall, you want to be in a protective environment so you don't hurt yourself. So there's a set of 30 breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale as much as you can out of your lungs for 30 times. On the 30th time, you're inhaling and then exhaling, and then you hold your breath for as long as you can until you feel that reflexive action of trying to take a breath. Then once you feel that, then you inhale and hold it for 15 seconds. And then exhale and breathe normally. Now I typically do a set of 3 to 5 of these. And you'll find over the weeks that you'll be more resistant to hypothermia, and you could test that by getting into a cold shower. And the less shock you experience as you get in, the more you know that it's working. And this has really helped me in paddling in cold environments, in cold wind and cold water when you're getting wet, or jumping out of the canoe into a cold water. You're not shocked and hyperventilating. And you could resist hypothermia a lot longer. I'm going to video myself doing the Wim Hof breathing technique for one set of 30. And as part of this video, I have a pulse oximeter on my finger, and I also have a timer. And so I'm going to be putting the pulse oximeter next to the timer so you can see as I breathe the variation in oxygen level. So right now, and heartbeat. So right now I've got a heartbeat of 72, 71, and my oxygen level is 96. It varies a little bit between 96 and 97. And you'll see as I perform this technique that the oxygen level goes up to 99, generally 98, 99. And then at the end, when I'm holding my breath, when I've exhaled on the 30th time and holding with empty lungs, you'll see the oxygen level drop, and it goes down to about 75. And then when I begin breathing again, pretty soon you'll see it go up. And then when I start the next set, you'll see it go from that 75 up to a 98. So I'm going to go through a set, and you'll watch it drop to 75, and then I'm going to start the next set and you'll see it jump up to 90, 98, around there. So now I'm going to start a set of 30 breaths, and my oxygen level is about a 96 and heartbeat 71. Dirty. Now I'm going to start the breathing cycle again. So I'm going to stop in the middle of this to show you that it's gone back up to 98%. My heartbeat's about 75. Anyway, this is the cycle that you go through on the Wim Hof breathing technique. And you start feeling dizzy, but that dizziness will be later and later as you progress through these 5 sets. And also you'll be able to hold your breath a lot longer. When on that 30th breath, you'll be able to hold it. It goes like 45 seconds, then a minute 30, then a minute 45. And it depends upon each individual. If you try the Wim Hof technique, I wish you much success in staving off hypothermia in the future. It will really make paddling in cold environments much better.